Hi everyone, it's Lisa. I'm a librarian at the Great Neck Library, and I wanted to share another recipe with you during this time at home. So this recipe is a black bean and corn salsa. I use this a lot for my family for dips in tortilla chips, but I also use it to put on top of any type of white fish or grilled chicken, and they really love it. So this is what you need. You need olive oil, balsamic vinegar, 1 can of black beans, rinsed thoroughly, drained, 1 can of shoe peg white corn. You can get this frozen, but I prefer the ease of the can. Drain that. Then some scallions, usually 3 to 4 stalks of scallions, cilantro to your liking, and 1 cup of cubed red bell pepper, a little chili powder, and salt and pepper. This is just basically put it all in one bowl. So you're gonna take your black beans, you're gonna take your corn, you're gonna take your scallions, and your cilantro, and your red bell pepper. Give it a mix. You're gonna add some pepper, some salt, and some chili powder, as much or as little as you like. And then a 1/4 cup of olive oil. And then a 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar. At first, when I made this recipe, I thought the balsamic would be too strong, but it's perfect. You're gonna mix this up until everything is coated. It's really good to do the day before, but you could easily do it the day of. And that's it. And you serve it with some tortilla chips, or like I said, corn or fish, or whatever you like. And this is a great recipe also to take to the beach or the pool, because it has vinegar, no mayo, and it really it keeps well. Well, I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you get to try it. And until I see you again, stay well and have a good week.